5 powerful AI tools every teacher should know in 2025. Number 1. MagicSchool AI. This free tool lets you generate lesson plans, exit tickets, learning objectives, and even behavior notes using AI, all aligned to education standards. Number 2. Curipod uses AI to generate full interactive slide decks in seconds. Just enter your topic, and it creates polls, open-ended questions, and visuals to engage your students. Number 3. Diffit takes any topic or article and transforms it into leveled reading content. It even adds questions, vocabulary, and summaries for different age groups, all automatically. Number 4. Canva Magic Write makes it easy to generate worksheets with just a few words. Here, I typed a topic and age group, and it created a full set of questions in seconds. With one click, I can even turn it into a presentation, ready for class. Number 5. QuestionWell. With QuestionWell, you can instantly generate quiz questions on any topic. Just type your subject, and it gives you multiple choice questions ready to go. Then export directly to Google Forms, Quizzes, or Kahoot, saving tons of time. And there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools to save you time and supercharge your teaching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy EdTech tips, right here at the Code Loft.